Episode 2: Early Life and Education of St Francis Xavier. Hello everyone. In our previous episode, we introduced you to the remarkable life and times of St Francis Xavier. Today, we embark on the second installment of our series, where we'll journey back in time to explore Xavier's early life and the events that ultimately led him to join the Society of Jesus. Xavier's childhood and family background. Let's get started by getting to know the young Francis Xavier. He was born on the 7th of April, 1506, in a small village in the Kingdom of Navarre, a region which is part of modern-day Spain. Francis came from a well-to-do family known for its nobility and service to the king. His father, Juan de Jasso, and mother, Maria de Azpilcueta, provided him with a comfortable upbringing. The Xavier Castle. Xavier's family lived in the Castle of Xavier, pronounced Xavier, which was an impressive structure overlooking the picturesque Basque countryside. It was in this castle that Xavier spent his early years, and the environment was a significant influence on his character and aspirations. Education and early years. As a young boy, Xavier received a strong education thanks to his family's resources and his own natural aptitude. He was a gifted student and demonstrated a deep interest in learning, both academically and spiritually. The move to Paris. After his early education, Xavier's life took a significant turn. He moved to Paris to pursue his higher education. Paris, in the early 16th century, was not just a city of intellectual ferment, but it was also a hot spot of religious thought and innovation. It was here that Xavier's path intersected with a man who would shape his destiny. Meeting Ignatius of Loyola. While in Paris, Xavier met a fellow student, Ignatius of Loyola. Ignatius was not a priest at the time, but was forming the foundation of what would become the Society of Jesus, a religious order with an intense focus on education and missionary work. Xavier was initially hesitant to join the group, but through his friendship with Ignatius and a series of events, he became increasingly drawn to their mission. The Montmartre experience. One of the pivotal moments in Xavier's life occurred on the famous Montmartre Hill in Paris. It was here that Xavier, along with Ignatius and a few others, made a vow to live in poverty and dedicate themselves to missionary work. As he began his priesthood, he carried with him a deep sense of purpose, inspired by the Jesuit ideals of spreading the Christian faith to distant lands. The path to mission. St. Francis Xavier's early life, family background, and education paved the way for his remarkable journey as a missionary. The influence of his family, the nurturing environment of the Xavier Castle, and his encounter with Ignatius of Loyola were all instrumental in shaping his destiny. Join us in the upcoming episodes as we follow Xavier's footsteps into the mission field, exploring his travels, challenges, and successes in spreading Christianity to different parts of the world.